Guys, hindi ko in-expect ganito kaganda sa Vietnam. So gusto kong bumalik talaga. Ganda oh, guys.
Nadala ka na namin sa cable car, di ka pa nakasubscribe.
Tama. Lamig! I love Vietnam! Yan, ang ganda ng view. Tapos meron ditong ilog na napakalawak. Ayan. Cote Florence. Anong ganap natin dyan? Ganda lang. So day 3 na pupunta kami ng, disembarkation na. Nandito kami sa Vietnam, sa Chiang Mai. And then meron kami activity for the whole day. Pupunta kami sa Da Nang. And then hindi ko pa na-check yung whole day activity namin. Pero meron kaming, yung boss namin nag-rent siya ng bus for all of us. So nandito ako sa may banyo. Ayan. Sa may CR dito, sa may cruise. So it's already 8:40 in the morning. So nandun na sila nagtipon-tipon sa may vintage bar. So kumuha na lang din ako ng water para hindi ako mautaw. Tapos ang daming malls dito. May Bulgari. Tapos doon sa may kabilang side sobrang dami. And then ito yung fine dining area. Makita natin. Ayan. So sobrang sarap ng pagkain dito. Like super sarap talaga. Yung mga steak. So sana makakain ulit later dyan. It's all for free. Yan, kasama na yun sa package kapag mag-cruise kayo. Yay! Finally! So nasa labas na. First time in Vietnam. So ito yung ship namin. Ang laki. Ayan o. Ooh! Laki diba? Paglabas nyo ng ship, may kanya-kanyang travel tours na binook din yung mga tao. So hanapin lang namin yung sa amin. Balitaan ko kayo sa mga activities na gagawin namin today. May konting lamig naman pero yung init talaga ng yung araw.
Phần Quang. Oh, yeah. So I work in many group Filipino. Follow 2 or 3 days. Lạc An Lagoon. Do you know Lagoon?
So after the bus ride, we finally arrived at Sun World Bana Hills. So even before reaching the actual mountain attractions, the entrance area already looked very impressive. The buildings were huge, colorful, and almost castle-like. You can also easily recognize the Sun World logo with a large sun symbol in front. Sun World Bana Hills is the complete name of the attraction, although most people simply call it Bana Hills. It is not just one viewpoint or one bridge, it is a massive mountaintop entertainment complex divided into several different areas. So ito yung kinuha natin, ito yung coupon for beer or food. Let's have some pictures. Ang ganda kasi, parang nakakahinayang kapag di ka mag-picture-picture. Yan, picture-picture kami guys. So ayun, ganda no? Sarap ng weather. Tapos pa-picture din ako after. So, pumasok na kami dito. And let's see kung anong mayroon dito. Ayan. Pakita natin na kikita ko para ma-observe mo rin. So, may pila pala, so dapat medyo hindi ako. Nasaan sila? Andito rin ba sila?
Hindi namin sure dito kami pinapunta nung tour guide eh. Kami muna tayo.
Nawawala na ba tayo?
Nawawala kami, yung ticket namin wala.
Ay, yung ticket nyo wala.
Wala ticket natin lahat.
Ticket ng lahat.
Ah, okay. Hindi ba yung yung kinuha sa ship? Ano yun? Pass lang ba yun?
Pass lang yun.
So, pass para lumabas na ship. Pero yung ticket dito, tanong natin. Tanong natin.
Starbucks?
Excuse me. Where is the Starbucks here?
Starbucks?
Yeah.
At the main gate. Yeah.
Downstairs?
Downstairs, at the main gate.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Main gate daw, downstairs. Oh, ayan guys. Wala kami ng konti. Pero nasa baba lang sila. Pero dapat kasi sama-sama kami kasi yung ticket is nasa isang tao lang. So, hindi kami makakapasok. Pero for sure, hinihintay naman kami. Ayun sila oh. I think. Charing, si Denzel lang pala. Sa pababa. If you're planning to visit Bana Hills, you'll need to purchase an admission ticket first. Ticket prices may vary depending on the season, promotions, or if you book a package that already includes transportation, a buffet, or other activities. During our visit, the regular admission for international adults was around 1 million Vietnamese dong, which is approximately 2,200 to 2,300 Philippine pesos. For kids, the ticket is cheaper depending on their height, and children below 1 meter can usually enter for free. The good thing is that your entrance ticket already includes the round-trip cable car ride, which is honestly one of the highlights of the entire experience.
Ayan, di ba? Umikot yung leg nito. Galing. Pero ito yung bibiling ko, guys. Ayan, no? Insta 360. Next time, kasi kabibili ko lang dito sa Osmo Packet, DJI Osmo Packet 3. 27,500. Let's see kung mag-sale. Bili tayo. Kasi ano siya, parang convenient. Hindi mo na kailangan hawakan. Ididikit mo lang, may magnet lang siya sa loob. Ayan. Allen, si MJ, oh. Napaka-introvert. Pinupush talaga yung pagka-introvert. Pero in fairness, ikaw yung last na pupunta ng kwarto. Ikaw yung last na umuwi ng kwarto natin.
Ambivert.
Ambivert, depende.
Extrovert. Minsan introvert.
Oo.
After entering the complex, it was finally time to ride the cable car going up to Bana Hills. Honestly, kahit yung cable car ride pa lang, sobrang worth it na. It already felt like one of the highlights of the trip. Depending on which cable car line you take, the ride usually lasts around 20 to 30 minutes. Habang pataas kami, unti-unti naming nakikita yung beautiful mountain views, forest, waterfalls, and the higher we went, the cooler the weather became.
Nadala ka na namin sa cable car, di ka pa nakasubscribe.
Tama. So, ito pala yung aking editors. Charing. Editors. Sila yung part of my team.
Sinabing bawal to kayo.
Alam, taas na gagi. Alam, taas gagi.
Ibang station eh. Hindi mahulog tayo. Glass.
Papagawa kami, madam, for you.
Glass lang.
Aglas, sorry na.
Mahulog tayo. Gago sa open.
Pina-open.
Tapos ang... Sabi kanina, very clean na. Lagi tumatapos sa baso ko yung ba?
Ano?
Kami ng tawa ni Kinsey.
Yay! Dito na kami sa Bana Hills. Sobrang lamig. Dapat pala nagdala ako ng jacket.
One thing to keep in mind is that Bana Hills has several cable car stations and routes. So medyo nakakalito siya sa first-time visitors. I highly recommend taking a photo of the park map or downloading it on your phone para hindi kayo maligaw. Especially when transferring to different attractions or kapag pabalik na kayo sa entrance. Depending on your route, you might also need to ride a funicular, which is basically a short mountain train or tram that connects some areas of Bana Hills. In our case, we first rode the main cable car and after reaching the upper station, we transferred to the funicular para makarating sa next attraction. Don't worry, may mga signs naman around the park, so just follow the directions and you'll be fine.
Pagoda. Ako yun.
Part to ng Danang, no? Ayun. Hindi kami sure. Sumusunod lang talaga kami sa itinerary na ginawa nila. Pero, I think, Danang to. Ganda rito, guys. So, dito yung kamay. Kamay. Ang tawag din sa kamay.
Hand.
Dalawang kamay.
Two hands.
I am now here at Le Jardin de Amor, also known as the Garden of Love. This was one of my favorite photo areas because it felt much more peaceful and colorful. The garden is divided into several theme sections featuring flowers, landscape pathways, statues, archways, and different European-inspired designs. Every corner seemed to have another photo spot, so this is the kind of place where you can easily spend a lot more time than expected. The combination of the flowers, cold mountain weather, mist, and European-style landscaping makes it feel very different from the tropical scenery that you usually associate with Vietnam.
Ganda ng view. Parang every corner dito, picture perfect. Like, ang dami mong area na pwedeng pagpa-picturean. Ang dami rin turista, ganyan. Look at that. Diba? Ganda! So amazing. Place. Ang ganda talaga ng view. So basically, paikot lang din talaga siya. Pero, ang bango. Pancake ba yun? Ang bango.
Bango ng gold coin, no?
Ang bango. Pumasok dyan sila Carmen kanina.
Oo, nakita namin sila.
Meron kayong Vietnam, anong currency dito?
Vietnam to.
Meron kayong dong?
Gusto mo?
Pautang.
Ano mo dito? Ito, 50 sakto.
50 yan, 50 dong. Magkano siya?
100.
Wait, tandaan mo yung utang ko.
Ikaw na ba?
Sure.
Kung makakalimutan.
Babayin na mo.
Dalawa?
50,000.
Sarap.
Sige kahit naman. Yan, bumili ako na, ang tawag dito, Ban Cam. This is Ban Cam. Oh, Sunworld Bana Hills. Sarap. Yung sarap niya. Sakto nagugutom na ako. Sarap niya guys. Bali 50,000 dong.
Peace and cream and vanilla, please.
Ang sarap niya to, Bancam. Hindi ko alam kung Bancam yung tawag. Or Bancam yung pangalan ng store.
And then, I finally arrived at the most famous attractions in Bana Hills, the Golden Bridge. This is probably one of the most recognizable landmarks in Vietnam because of the two massive stone hands supporting the golden walkway. It looks almost like a giant is lifting the bridge out of the mountain. The bridge is approximately 150 meters long and sits about 1,000 meters above sea level. It opened in 2018 and quickly became popular around the world because of its unique design and dramatic location among the mountains and clouds.
Going to the castle.
Ang ganda! Wow!
Yes, talagang
Full of fire mountain.
Nagtutulakan kanina. Sino kasama ni Arvin?
ayaw na mag-English eh. Kaya pala dyan. Kaya pala bumabalik ko.
Oh, yun yung ano!
Em ở the road, go to by car, by trucks, coming here. On by water over there.
Is that hotel?
A hotel.
Construction?
Wow.
Hotel
Oh,
and casino next time.
Can we...
Yay! They're alive!
After the garden area, we boarded another cable car to reach the upper section of Bana Hills. This is where the scenery completely changed again. Suddenly, we were surrounded by towers, stone buildings, cobblestone-style pathways, cafes, restaurants, and large plazas designed to resemble a medieval French village. The area is officially called the French Village, and it is inspired by old European architecture. It is not an actual historical French community, but a themed recreation featuring Gothic-style details, castle-like buildings, courtyards, and a large cathedral-style structure. It honestly felt like we had left Vietnam and entered a completely different country.
Ganda. Down. So, add na naman to sa may checklist ng papalikan. Next, travel. So, ngayon pa nga lang super duper enjoy na. How much more? Ang laki niya. Hindi lang siya yung parang isang spot. All around. Guys. So, nandito kami sa may Kauai Bay. Ito yung maging partner ko for this one.
Ready na.
Level 3 yung difficulty. So let's see later kung ano yung ma-feel natin ka ba. But we are so excited about it.
One of the rides we tried was the Alpine Coaster, locally referred to as the Mountain Slide. This is basically a small individual coaster that runs along a track down the mountain. You control part of the speed using the handles, so you can slow down when approaching curves or let it move faster when the track is clear. It was definitely one of the most exciting activities we experienced at Bana Hills because you get both the thrill of the ride and views of the surrounding mountain area. The Alpine Coaster is extremely popular, so lines can become very long during peak hours. Arriving early is usually the best strategy, depending on your ticket package and the specific coaster track being operated. It may be included as an add-on or require a separate ticket. Current listings offer dedicated packages combining admission with Alpine Coaster access. Also, operating schedules can change due to weather, maintenance, or crowd conditions, so there is always a possibility that some rides may temporarily close.
So, bilisan natin para ma-feel naman natin yung pressure. Ang lamig! Ang sarap! So, dito guys, ito na yung pataas. Ayan. So, kahit hindi mo na i-control dito eh. Ayan. Pataas na dito. Ang taas! Woo! Lamig! I love Vietnam! Ayan, ang taas oh. Nabihin namin yung second time. Bali 2 beses mag-ulit ng ganito. Kasi may pagka-manual din siya. So, makokontrol mo kung gaano kabilis. So, nakakatakot pa rin naman. Pero control mo yung bilis. Kaya, mas okay siya compare sa mga normal na rides.
After spending several hours here, I realized that Bana Hills is much bigger than it appears in photos. Most people only associate it with the Golden Bridge, but you really need at least half a day to explore the major areas. 5 to 7 hours is a reasonable amount of time if you want to visit the bridge, gardens, French Village, Fantasy Park, and some of the rides without feeling too rushed. Wear comfortable shoes because there is a lot of walking even with the cable cars, escalators, and funiculars. Bring a jacket, a compact umbrella, and possibly a raincoat because mountain weather is unpredictable. Save a copy of the map on your phone, take note of the final cable car operation, and remember which station leads back to the entrance. And for the cruise passengers, always leave earlier than you think you need to. Traffic, cable car lines, and the travel time back to the port can all affect your schedule.
Ano nabubu? So, nandito kami sa may Pop Mart. Ito yung mga Hirono. Yan, ang daming mga collectibles na pwedeng mabili.
Tayong parang balls.
Ay, hindi ko pa nakita kanina. Sa kanila tayo dumaan. Kabila.
Doon.
So, nandito kami sa may Kauai Bay Tea. So, bilian siya ng mga insenso at marami pang mga stuff inside. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung temple, kung saan magsisindi ng insenso. Pero somewhere there. Ayan, ang dami yung mga shops dito.
Magkakahilera lang sila actually.
Tapos, kung titingnan nyo dito, ayan. So, sobrang dami ng insenso na binibenta. It's inside. Ayan. Maraming mga staff. So, may mga paintings din. Hindi na ako bibili. Kasama sa vlog. Hindi na ako bibili. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Anong binili mo, MJ?
Candle.
Handle?
Scented candle.
Ah, handle. Tatingin nga. Kaya?
Mga 300 pesos each. 350.
Ah, okay. Ikaw, Te Florence, anong ganap natin dyan?
Wala na.
Ganda lang.
Live ba yan?
Ha?
Live ba yan?
Hindi. Siyempre hindi. Video-video lang.
Video.
Pagdagdag ng content kami. So, nandito kami sa isa sa mga shop. Tapos, merong free na ganito. I mean, libreng hiram. May mga paintings. Ah! Hello guys. Dito kami sa may pagoda to, diba? Oo, pagoda. Oh, we're so pagod na. Oh, ayun ah. So, maraming mga stores. Binibenta dito. Door? Nasa mo? 180. May mga souvenir shops. Souvenir shops. Ang ganda ng ilog dito, guys. Yeah. So, pagoda sa Ho Chi Minh. Nandito kami ngayon sa may pagoda sa may Ho Chi Minh. Tapos, may mga boat din doon. So, kalmado ng ilog. Para makapagpa-picture tayo. The group.
Together. Rero, Ebe.
Yan, ang ganda ng view. Tapos meron ditong ilog na napakalawak. Ayan. So, pwede rin mag-boating dyan. Mag-rent ng boat for a ride. Then, let's go dito sa may mga souvenir shops. Sulitin na natin kasi wala pa akong nabibiling souvenir dito. Punta tayo sa may mga souvenir shops. Wala pa akong nabibiling ref magnets. Dito yung bus namin. Balik na ako. Parang feeling ko super konti lang ng video na nagawa ko. Pero at least yung experience naman na nandito ka sa place, sa Vietnam, Hong Kong, ayan, sa cruise is masaya. At least 1 week wala sa work. 1 week free from work.